Welcome, young scholars, to the ultimate classroom adventure. Today, we're diving into the world of classroom accessories,
where every tool has a story to tell and a lesson to teach. Get ready to meet some fantastic friends who make learning extra fun. Greetings, kiddos. I'm Chalky, the magical chalkboard here to turn your ideas into masterpieces, with my smooth surface and vibrant colors. So, grab your chalk and let's doodle our way to creativity.
Hey there, little scribblers. I'm Pencil Pete, your trusty sidekick in the world of writing and drawing. With my sharp lead and handy eraser, I'm here to help you jot down ideas, solve tricky equations, and sketch your dreams into reality. So, grab a hold of me and let's make some magic on paper.
Hello, young scholars. I'm Paper Patty, the blank canvas waiting to be filled with your brilliance. With my neat lines and crisp edges, I'm the perfect place to jot down notes, write stories, and solve puzzles. So, grab your pens and let's fill the pages with knowledge and adventure.
Why, tiny artists? I'm Crayon Charlie, the king of colors and the master of mess-free fun. With my vibrant hues and smooth lines, I'm here to turn your drawings into works of art. So, grab a hold of me and let's make some magic on paper.
Greetings, young mathematicians. I'm Kelsey, the number cruncher extraordinaire. With my quick calculations and precise answers, I'm here to make math a breeze. Whether you're adding, subtracting, multiplying, or dividing, you can count on me to help you solve any problem. So, grab your pencils and let's crunch some numbers together.
Hey there, little architects. I'm Ruler Rick, the ruler of measurements and the king of straight lines. With my precise markings and durable design, I'm here to help you build, draw, and measure with accuracy. So, grab your blueprints and let's build a world of wonders together.